Fire at Greenidge Bitcoin mine in New York forces temporary shutdown. Bitcoin mining. The 106 megawatt site, co-hosting gear with NYDIG, is a critical asset. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 minute ago. Greenidge Generation Holdings, a major U.S. Bitcoin mining firm, disclosed that a fire broke out at its Dresden, New York facility on Sunday, forcing a temporary shutdown of operations at one of its core sites. Key takeaways. Greenidge Generation Holdings shut its New York mine after an electrical switchgear failure caused a fire. The 106 megawatt site, co-hosting gear with NYDIG, is a critical asset. The outage hits as hash price sits near $39/s, below many miners' breakeven. In a filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, the company said the incident was triggered by an electrical switchgear failure, which led management to de-energize the entire plant as a safety precaution. The site, which hosts company-owned machines as well as equipment operated by NYDIG, has remained offline since the incident. Greenidge says Dresden Bitcoin mine to reopen in weeks. Greenidge said the fire did not damage its mining rigs and added that it expects to restore full operations within a few weeks, although no timeline has been provided. The Dresden facility produces roughly 106 megawatts of natural gas power used directly for Bitcoin mining, making it one of the company's most important energy assets. The interruption comes at a difficult moment for the mining sector, which continues to grapple with falling profit margins, volatile Bitcoin prices, and rising energy costs. Hash price, a key indicator of miner profitability, plunged in November after Bitcoin briefly dipped toward $80,000, pushing revenues per unit of computing power below break-even levels for many operators. Data from Hashrate Index shows hash price recently recovering to around $39 per petahash per second, ph/s, still below the level most miners consider sustainable for long-term operations. The Greenidge fire also follows a wave of stress across the sector. Tether recently confirmed it had shut down its Bitcoin mining operations in Uruguay, citing soaring electricity prices and an unresolved billing dispute with a state-owned utility. At the same time, U.S. authorities have reportedly opened an investigation into Bitmain over national security concerns linked to its ASIC manufacturing business. The Chinese company accounts for the majority of the global mining equipment market, and any restrictions could further disrupt operations for U.S.-based miners. CleanSpark revenue surges 102%. As reported, CleanSpark delivered what executives described as a transformative fiscal year, reporting $766.3 million in revenue for the period ending September 30, 2025, a 102% jump from the previous year. The company's results show a dramatic reversal from 2024, underscoring how its expanded strategy is reshaping both operations and financial performance. Net income came in at $364.5 million, compared with a $145.8 million loss last year. Adjusted EBITDA surged to $823.4 million, up from $245.8 million a year earlier. The strong fiscal results follow CleanSpark's $1.15 billion zero-coupon convertible notes offering, which brought $1.13 billion in net proceeds and allowed the firm to repurchase 30.6 million shares for roughly $460 million. As of September 30th, CleanSpark held $1.2 billion in Bitcoin, $43 million in cash, and $950.1 million in mining assets, with total assets reaching $3.2 billion and stockholders' equity at $2.2 billion. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics, price predictions. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. China's Alibaba AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. ETF inflows aren't helping. Is something seriously wrong with Ripple right now? XRP price prediction. UAE just approved Ripple stablecoin. Can Arab Wealth send XRP to $1,000? Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Ripple CEO predicts pre-Thanksgiving ETF surge as Grayscale and Franklin launch XRP ETFs. For days ago, by Anas Hassan. Price analysis. Monad price prediction. Mainnet goes live as markets explode. Is MON the next Solana? 2 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Blockchain news. Largest U.S. pension fund CalPERS faces heavy losses as strategy investment drops to $80 million. 1 day ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 17 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 19 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 14 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 2 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 17, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. For days ago, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.